Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show newly downloaded media from a WhatsApp group. If you want to easily access and view the media files you receive in your group chats, this full guide will show you the steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your group. Choose the group where you want to show the newly downloaded media. Step 3. Tap the three dots at the top right of the page. This will open the options menu for the group. Step 4. Tap Group Info. It is usually located towards the bottom of the menu. Step 5. Tap Media Visibility. This option controls the visibility of newly downloaded media files. Step 6. Tap Yes to enable the visibility of newly downloaded media. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that any media files you download from your WhatsApp group will be easily accessible and visible. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching.